Bitcoin surged to 100K. Are you ready? Imagine waking up to see Bitcoin hitting $100,000. The financial world has the same, but are you ready to capitalize on it? In this video, we'll uncover the driving forces behind Bitcoin's historic surge, the strategies smart investors use during these volatile times, and how it can shape your financial future. Stay tuned, because you're about to unlock the keys to financial independence. In the past year alone, Bitcoin has shattered expectations, climbing steadily despite market uncertainties. But why now? What's fueling this unprecedented growth? And more importantly, how can you, as an aspiring investor, ride this wave to financial freedom? Let's dive in. Here's a question for you. Did you know that Bitcoin's supply is hard-capped at just 21 million coins? With over 19 million already mined, scarcity is playing a major role in its price surge. But that's just the beginning of the story. Bitcoin's latest climb to 100K isn't random. It's fueled by a perfect storm of factors. First, institutional adoption is at an all-time high. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and even traditional banks are pouring billions into Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. Second, looming regulatory changes are providing a clearer framework for crypto, boosting investor confidence. For example, spot Bitcoin ETFs are on the verge of approval, opening the floodgates for mainstream investment. And let's not forget Bitcoin's halving mechanism, an event that cuts mining rewards in half every 4 years. Historically, each halving has been followed by massive price rallies. The next one is just around the corner. Coincidence? We think not. But let's face it, crypto markets are volatile. So how do you invest without losing sleep? Here are 3 strategies that seasoned investors swear by. Strategy number 1, dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount regularly. This approach reduces risk and takes emotion out of the equation. Strategy number 2, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Pair your Bitcoin holdings with promising altcoins or even stablecoins to balance your portfolio. Strategy number 3, play the long game. Bitcoin's value may swing wildly in the short term, but its long-term trajectory has always been upward. Patience is your greatest ally. So, what does Bitcoin's surge mean for your financial future? Think of Bitcoin not just as an asset, but as a tool for wealth building. Early adopters are already achieving financial independence, funding their dreams, and breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind. Here's some perspective. If you had invested $1,000 in Bitcoin just 5 years ago, it would be worth over $11,000 today. Imagine what $100,000 Bitcoin could mean for you 5 years from now. Did you know that over 60% of Bitcoin hasn't moved in over a year? This hodl mentality signals strong confidence among investors. And here's the kicker. Analysts predict that Bitcoin's $100,000 milestone is just the start, with some forecasting a future value of $500,000 or even $1 million. But what if Bitcoin's rise isn't guaranteed? What are the risks you need to prepare for? We'll explore that in an upcoming video, so make sure you're subscribed. Bitcoin's surge to $100,000 is more than just a number. It's a wake-up call. The world of finance is evolving, and those who adapt will thrive. The question is, will you seize the opportunity or let it pass you by? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more insights. Together, we'll navigate the path to financial independence. See you in the next video.